Today's video is brought to you by Creative Imprints, a small business located in BC, Canada. They offer a wide variety of services such as screen printing, embroidery, graphic designs and illustrations, as well as custom apparel printing. For quotes and any business-related questions, you can contact them via Instagram at creativeimprintsvancity. To get 10% off your first order, use my special code on the screen. Hey guys, it's John here. I'm back again with another earbuds to review for you guys. Links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out. And welcome back to episode 7 of the Budget Earbuds series. And this is my review of the Bliiq Hummingbird wireless earbuds. And before we start, just a quick disclaimer. Bliiq contacted me and sent me this product for a review. And with that said, you know I'm still going to give you my honest and unbiased opinions about this product. On the outside, you can see that they really did a good job with the overall presentation and unboxing experience of these earbuds. I currently have the black version, but I believe they also come in white and red. Now, looking inside the box, you can immediately see they come with an amazing variety of ear tips, which is good, because that would allow the users to customize the earbuds to fit properly in their ears, making it comfortable and making the sound experience much better. So here's a list of everything that you're going to find inside the box. You're going to find the ear tips, the earbuds, carrying case, the micro USB cable, quick start guide, warranty information, and the safety information. As I said, they did a good job in making these earbuds look good. I like the black color with the gold accent. I thought that was a nice touch. Everything else is made of plastic and a bit of rubber, so I don't know how long these will last. Now, the ear hooks feel like a mix of rubber and plastic, and they're not that flexible and may take some time getting used to, but they do offer some kind of comfort. They also do a pretty good job at staying in your ears through workouts, thanks to the ear hook's lack of flexibility and adjustable cable. The inline control works as it's supposed to. The housing is a glossy fingerprint magnet, lightweight plastic, but still no complaints. For my personal taste, I prefer this inline control layout compared to the Anker Spirit X, because of how the buttons are protruding from the housing, and it makes it easier for me to distinguish the buttons, whereas the Anker Spirit X, it may take a few more seconds to figure it out. Bliiq claims the battery life can last 14.5 hours, but during my testing, it's more like 11 to 13 hours. Still, it's a pretty big battery life compared to others in the market, and they also come with quick charge technology, and that means that you can charge these for 10 minutes and get 1 hour of playback, which is nice to have. It's also waterproof, and you can check that out on their website, but they didn't specify any rating, unlike the Q11 Soundpeats I reviewed that had a rating of IPX4 water resistance. So what is ambient mode and how do you activate it? To activate ambient mode, just press the power button twice. To deactivate, just press the power button once. When in ambient mode, an omnidirectional mic picks up the surrounding sound and then transmits them through your earbuds, and that allows you to hear your surroundings real time without removing your earbuds. Personally, I don't see myself using it at all, because if I'm going to move my hands to press the buttons, I might as well just take off the earbud from one ear and save myself from what's about to come. When activated, there is a hiss coming from the mic, and it makes whatever I'm listening to sound like hot garbage. I'm sorry, but not so sorry. Oh, and also these earbuds also support voice control, so if you want to activate Siri or Google, that's okay too. Now, having all those features sounds good, but how do they actually sound? In my opinion, they don't sound the best, but they also don't suck. There's not much bass, but there's enough volume to make it a pleasant experience to listen to music or watch videos with these earbuds. They also offer a lifetime warranty for these earbuds. Even Anker only offers 18 months warranty for their earbuds, so pretty good. So my overall thoughts are, for $40 Canadian, these earbuds pack a ton of features. Battery life is respectable at 11 to 13 hours with quick charging capability. It's waterproof and it's got decent sound, equipped with voice control, so if you want to use Google or Siri Assistant, that's okay too. If there's anything that I don't like about these earbuds, it's just nitpicking at this point. Like the audio cue when it turns on or off, or when it's connected or disconnected to Bluetooth. I wish that whatever that sound is, they can be improved, but that is literally it. Before you leave, I just wanted to say thank you for your support. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, please hit the like button. And if you didn't, let me know why and how I can improve my content. And I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments down below. So that's it for the video, guys. See you in the next one.